If you want to uninstall Adobe Photoshop from Windows the right way, this video will show you the cleanest and safest method. Instead of relying on the standard Windows control panel, I'm going to walk you through the recommended Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop method, which helps remove hidden files, background services, and leftover preferences more thoroughly. That means less clutter on your system and fewer issues if you ever reinstall Photoshop later. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Start menu on your Windows PC. In the search bar, type Creative Cloud Desktop and open the Adobe Creative Cloud app. This is the main hub where Adobe manages your installed apps, including Photoshop. Once the app opens, make sure you are on the All Apps tab on the left-hand side. This is important because it shows the full list of Adobe apps installed on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find Adobe Photoshop. When you see it, look to the far right side of the Photoshop row. You should see 3 horizontal dots, also called the More Options menu. Click those dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Uninstall. This begins the official Adobe removal process. At this point, Adobe will show you a pop-up asking whether you want to remove or keep Photoshop notifications, alerts, interface settings, plugins, and preferences. This choice matters, so here's the simple rule. If Photoshop has been glitchy, broken, or you want to completely free up space and start fresh, choose Remove. That clears out everything, including settings and preferences. If you only want to temporarily remove Photoshop and plan to reinstall it later with your custom brushes, shortcuts and workspace layouts preserved, choose Keep. After you make your selection, the uninstaller will start running automatically in the background. You do not need to manually delete folders or dig through system files. Just let the process finish. Depending on your system and how much data Photoshop has stored, this may take a little while. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, Photoshop will be removed from your Windows machine. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also check that Photoshop no longer appears in Creative Cloud and make sure the app is no longer launching from your Start menu. In most cases, this Adobe method handles the clean removal for you, which is why it is the recommended way to uninstall Photoshop on Windows. So that's it. You've now uninstalled Adobe Photoshop from Windows using the cleanest method available. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials, Windows tips, and app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.